We haven't really changed the weather. It's just as fickle as ever. There's more rain on the way. But briefly at least, it's a lovely day out there with a few exceptions, gloriously sunny. This is the scene outside in Belfast, very representative of much of the UK. Get out and enjoy it. It will not last all that long. A huge head of cloud down to the southwest, and that will bring wind and rain to all of us over the next, 18 hours. But ahead of that, as I say, it's quite pleasant. There are a few showers around, notably across the northwest of Scotland. They'll keep going, but most other showers will die away. Some sunshine, pleasant out there with temperatures in the low to mid-teens. However, this evening it'll soon turn wet across Devon and Cornwall, and that rain will sweep northeastwards across the whole of England, Wales, Northern Ireland, southern and central Scotland. So not a very pleasant drive to work for the M8 corridor, for example. Wet and windy here. The rain easing off south of the border, though, the persistent rain, but leaving a residue of low cloud and some spits and spots of drizzly rain across parts of northern England, the Midlands, East Anglia and the southeast. Slow improvements from the west through tomorrow morning. Gradually, I think the cloud will start to thin, so brightness appearing across the west country. Still a blustery wind, mind you, and a scattering of showers, particularly around exposed coast. But it is a getting better sort of story through the morning across the west country, Wales. And for Northern Ireland, again, the persistent rain pushing northwards, allowing drier and eventually brighter weather to arrive from the south. So let's follow the course of that rain through the day as it tracks further north across Scotland, ending up across the far north. But for the rest of us, things will improve. The skies will brighten from the south, and most places will settle into a decent afternoon. There'll be some sunshine around, and bar a scattering of showers, most places will remain dry. Mild again, higher temperatures than they should be. We're getting used to that. The high teens, 18, 17 degrees. Now, through tomorrow evening, every chance, I think, of thickening clouds bringing more wet weather into southeastern parts of England, potentially a very wet night to come here, putting into East Anglia as well. Meanwhile, out west, low pressure cruising in. You can see how tight the isobars are. And what does that mean? Well, whenever you get really tight isobars, you get some very strong winds. We take the isobars off and we build on the winds. You can see them funneling in from the southwest. We could well see some damaging gusts as we go into Thursday, gusts of 60 or 70 miles an hour with saturated ground and the trees fully laden, some branches coming down quite possibly. Very showery in the west. The best of the brightness further east.